Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on SKALE network. Once again, SKALE network is rejected by the 19 cents resistance, and in today's video, we will take a look whether are we going to break out this resistance of 19 cents or we are going to test the previous support. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me show you this daily time frame, then I'll take you to this weekly time frame chart as well, where we have the different support, the long-term support and resistance levels. Now here we can see that the price line was moving in the falling wedge. Recently we broke out the resistance of this wedge here on 19th of Feb, and now we are having some accumulation here, and still there is a hidden bearish divergence on this daily time frame as the RSI oscillator has formed another higher than previous high. But if we take a look at the price line, then price line is not able to do so. You can see the high of this candlestick is 18.79 cents, and the high of this candlestick is so far 18.23 cents. So there is a slight hidden bearish divergence on this daily time frame chart. Therefore, in my last video, I was telling you that we can expect a pullback and retest the previous resistance of the wedge as a support. But after this rejection that we have recently here on 11th of Feb, there is another possibility that the price line is following another resistance. And you can see that we have rejection here from the top of this candlestick. We had another rejection here, two more rejections here, and now we are getting rejected once again. So in that situation, for example, if the price line moves more down, if it will not start the reversal move from here and break out this level, then it will confirm another resistance here. And in that situation, the price line will be forming another, that will be the down channel, not the falling wedge. And we can test here the support of this channel. That will be approximately at 8 cents. But in my opinion, that will be not possible for the price line. Everything is possible, but that will be really very difficult because we have a very strong long-term support here at 9 cents, and you can see recently we have tested the support, and back here in December 2020 it has been breaking as a nice support and a resistance as well. Here it on this candlestick it was working as a resistance, and here it worked as a support. Therefore, breaking down this level, that will be really difficult for the price line. And we also have another support here, and that is approximately here at 12.5, and you can see here it worked as a resistance, here it worked as a support, and recently it worked as a resistance here at the end of January 2022. If I switch to the daily time frame, then you can see for several days it has been working as a resistance, this 12.5 cents support and resistance level. Therefore, if we will have another rejection that we are likely to have by this resistance and move down, then we may have a reversal move from 12.5 cents. After testing the support, we will have another reversal, a bullish reversal towards the upside, and make another attempt to break out the next resistance of 19 cents. After 19 cents, a move can be imminent up to the next resistance that is approximately at 26 cents, and after 26 cents our next resistance will be at 40.5 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well, and for more ideas you can also support me here at the Patreon because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.